As we enter, I'll go to the right. We have a lot of things blooming. We have our tulips coming up. These are our seeds. They're some type of German variety. I love the purple seeds, so we're letting these just go to seed. And we have our tulips blooming. Over here we have our Japanese red mustards. Then over here we have so many things growing in pots. We have our collards growing. I'll give you a sneak peek. These are variegated collards. They're like white and green. So I'm excited about that. I'm keeping a little top over because we have a lot of problems with squirrels and bunny rabbits eating everything. We had to use grow bags. Our groundkeeping department asked us to not plant directly in the ground, so we're using grow bags to honor their request because they are absolutely fabulous. We're using a chop and drop method. So here was some nasturtiums. So we just cut it up, chopped it, and put it back down in the grow bag. Yeah, we have little radish going to seed. The bees love this little flower. It is really beautiful too. One day I'm going to use these flowers in a bouquet because they are lovely. Some calendulum growing. Some mustard seeds. Here's our lettuce that we have been cutting on. Over here, we have a little cabbage that came back. We have a family of bunny rabbits, and they just like to munch on everything. Before, they used to be a little frightened of us, but now, even if someone's in the garden, those bunny rabbits don't care. When it is their lunchtime, they come anyway. All right, here's where we store our little stakes and our tools. Over here, look, we have a little dreamer tulip that's blooming. All right, here's our little greenhouse. We have some anemones coming up. Look at that. We are on spring break now, but I decided to come up and just water during the spring break. Yeah, to keep everything growing. Here in this bed, we have our Swiss chard and leeks and weeds. Here we have goldenrod. We have kale. We have some Japanese red mustard, collard green. And I think this is kale. No, these are probably daffodils. Over here we have spearmint, some more Japanese red mustard and calendulum. Back there in the corner we have French lavender. I'll show you. Oh, I wish I had scent-o-vision for you. The bees love this too. And we try to incorporate some artwork in our garden. So here's our little artwork we have. And then we have lots of seedlings growing. We have roses. The seedlings are left over from a project that we completed this year. It's called Our Students Grow Healthy. And we gave each student a grow bag like this. It's a 2-gallon grow bag. And we filled it up with lots of herbs. And in the center, we had a little tulip growing. But look, it was fabulous. Here's dill. We have some cilantro, some lettuce. We have snapdragon. And then we had a tulip. We have onions. Yeah, it was Our Students Grow Healthy. It was a fabulous project. We incorporated some science standards along with some social-emotional learning standards. It was a great activity for the whole family to get involved with. A little brain-friendly activity for the whole family. Now I'll take you in our greenhouse We have some collards. That's primarily what we have going to seed in here are collard greens. And these are the William Heading collards. We are trying to get them ready because for the Juneteenth celebration and also for Earth Day as well. So this is our school garden on March 21st, 2025. Let me know what's going on in your garden. And if you are a gardener and you have a little bit of time, think about volunteering at school gardens. I'm sure the staff, the students, and teachers could use your help. You know, maybe 1 hour a week volunteering to weed or to plant something. Look, we put ours in little grow bags. Every little bit of volunteer time really helps. Now, do you know that project I told you about? Let me go back over here and show you. Our master gardeners, the Monterey and Santa Cruz County master gardeners, they assembled all these bags for every student in K through 6th grade. They did it as a day of service on Dr. Martin Luther King Day. And then they also put all the leftovers in 6 packs. Now, all of these seedlings were beautiful, but you know, we're on spring break. So I tried to come up here and keep them watered. They'll be fine. When I come back, I'll put some fertilizer on them. But yeah, there's no way we could have completed that project without the master gardener's help. So if you are a master gardener, or even if you're not, if you're someone that just loves gardening, please think about volunteering at your local school. I'm sure they can use your help. A garden is so important for our emotional and mental well-being. You know, there's so much going on now. A garden is like a safe place for everyone, right? Just like Ruby Bridges said, everyone can be friends. I believe that. How about you? All right, bye. Martha from Monterey Bay, Zone 10, California. Happy gardening.